Can I be really, really honest? Hindi ako okay for the past few days, and it's snowballing and getting worse every single day. Alam mo yung feeling na sukong-suko ka na, yung walang-wala ka na, yung ayaw mo na lang talaga. Don't get me wrong, I am eternally grateful for the opportunity, chances, and lahat ng blessings that I'm able to achieve, experience. It's just that may point lang talaga sa buhay na talagang you're just not feeling it. You've done your best and your best is not good enough, and sobrang wala ka na lang maibigay, wala ka na lang, ubus ka na sagad ka na. Maybe it's love tank issue, maybe it's procrastination issue, I'm not sure. And ang maganda nito, I'm aware of the feeling and I let the feeling be felt. And I just needed to really identify where I am at and what is happening to me. Cute naman na bagay sa outfit mo. You look like
dinosaur.
Happy dinosaur. Buti na lang talaga we have a community that we can share life with. Hello guys.
Siyempre adults only. Siyempre adults only tayo.
Dami yung energy guys ha. Baka naman ako naka-formal pa sa suot. Para ma-make sure na meron. Laking pasalamat talaga namin na nandyan si Kuya Juno, Ate Kay, Rean, and May to just celebrate life together. And now we're gonna watch one of the movies na gusto naming matagal na panoorin.
Mahal na mahal kita, Joy.
Walang araw na hindi ko inisip na sana marating na natin yung future na pinangarap nating dalawa. A future with no goodbyes.
Ay, hindi kaya.
1, 2, 3. Welcome back! Another week, another vlog, and I am just so happy and grateful to be here after weeks and weeks of consecutive weeks na parang medyo nasa level tayo. Medyo nasa downward spiral tayo for the past few weeks. Now, this week, I am very much eager to just fight, and be amazed on how God will surprise us this next few days. Of course, I am grateful for you for just being here and for watching this video, and I'm just hoping that you get to grab a blessing out of watching this video para naman sama-sama nating ma-enjoy ang week na ito. Ano sabi niya? Isa din sa mga nakatulong probably sa akin na mag-recover from the slump is the regular walks with my wife around our subdivision, and also just doing some chores with her is really therapeutic.
as I continue to just show up every single day without an expectation of failure. The burden is starting to lighten up. It's starting to disappear, and I'm just eager to just look forward to the future. And it's helping that we have an amazing weekend ahead of us.
Wala kang kasama dyan.
Tara na.
Hindi na kailangan wala nang hintayang nangyari.
Kasi may ticket na sila, so nakakapasok naman talaga sila. Yung nasabi ni Brother Jay, di ba?
Hi, Pats.
Mamamadali na ka.
Oo nga, mamadali ka niyan. Gusto ko yung nagbe-video ako, nakita ko.
Ikaw na ba yun? Ikaw na ba naman?
It was a very significant service for us. Yung talagang makapagbigay ka lang without asking for anything else in return. Yung makapagserbisyo ka lang na walang inaasahang bayad or kahit ano. Just being there, just showing up, being a Jesus to the people that needs the coffee. It was an amazing experience, and I really love it. My family loved it too, and that's a plus that I'm able to serve with my whole family.
Parang alam mo yung katawan niya, puro kape na, hindi na tubig.
And syempre, bonus na lang din na we're able to be part of the plenary talk ni Jonathan Rumi, the Jesus Christ in the TV show The Chosen.
Jesus. And then you pointed.
Real Jesus, TV Jesus.
Have you taken an opportunity to really get to know Christ? To really know Jesus as a friend, as your Lord, as your ransom? And if you haven't, you must. You must know Him on the most fundamental molecular level that you can possibly imagine. Because only then will your purpose begin to be revealed to you. And what His plan for your life truly has the possibilities of being. But know that that's why you're here. You're here to figure out that purpose. You're here to serve Him and to glorify Him. And as you do, with everything that you do, with the smallest actions, with the kindest word, He will reveal everything He wants for your life. Whether or not you know it's coming or not. I'm proof of this.
And you know what's more exciting? I get to have my first ever vlogging
Gawa
camera.
siya.
Finally.
Ayan.
Hindi ako, kalma na ako. Hindi na ako masyadong super high.
Good morning. So, hindi ako masyado nakatulog today dahil obviously bukod sa fact na ang dami ko sigurong caffeine na nakuha or na-take kahapon dahil parte ako ng music ministry, ng coffee ministry. Siguro dahil na rin sa excitement ko sa bagong baby, sa bagong parte ng katawan ko, sa bagong parte ng buhay ko, ang aking pinakaunang vlogging camera ever. So I'm really, really grateful for that. And today, medyo challenged kami in a way because we decided to actually serve also today for the coffee ministry. That's the reason why, obviously, kulang kami sa tulog. But it's going to be a very, very exciting day. I have a vlogging cam, mommy.
Yay!
So happy.
You're a happy kid. Cannot sleep well.
I cannot sleep well.
Kasi wanted to share nyo
I do.
How come? I'm so tired.
So tired. So sleepy well. Oh no. Itong makeupan niya. Kasi meron akong ganito.
Why would I want you to?
Tapos Darat naman nilirean yung sinabi mo. Good morning! Walang kaso. O, mag-serve ka? Serve ka?
Oo, last.
Malaki, pero kulit lang siya.
Morning! No? April.
Good morning.
Pag sinunod nyo ang salita ng Diyos, pag kayo'y kasama sa kanyang kaharian, ay kayo'y giginhawa. Yung hinga, doon galing ang ginhawa. Parehong salita yan, parehong ano yan, root, hinga, at pag makahinga ka, kasi maginhawa. Therefore, ang tawag ng Diyos ay maginhawang buhay. Buhay kasama niya, maginhawa. So hindi na tayo mamamatay. Ang tanong, kayo ba nakikinig? Sumusunod? Ito last. Ginagawa.
Nakasaksak ba to? Uy, kamusta? Hi guys. Nandito tayo sa Atimet F104 for the Feast Conference 2004. Come on! Tara, let's join us!
Proud na proud siya.
Kuya, isipin mo, nag-ano talaga ako. Naubos yung energy ko. Nagutom ako. Thank you. Hindi ko alam kung ano.
Teka lang, wala ako ano to. Teka lang, camera. Ano ka?
Ay, tayo si Kadin? Hindi.
Guys, sige.
Nakita ng cookies.
Yan.
Nakita ko kasi kayo,
Kay Galit. Huwag mo na kasi. Ano talaga?
in the slump that I was when I started this week, looking at it now, with all the things that happened, with all the service, the love that I've experienced, it really, really healed me. there is always magic to serving, to loving, and to just showing up.
What? 1, 2, 3, go!